Did you know eggs are a nutrient powerhouse? Beyond their reputation as a breakfast staple, eggs are packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals. In this guide, we'll explore the nutritional breakdown of eggs, comparing the yolk and the white. We'll also offer healthier cooking options and provide recommendations for daily intake. So, if you've ever wondered about the health benefits of eggs or how to incorporate them into your diet, this is for you. Join us as we crack open the secrets of eggs. Eggs, a small package with a powerful nutritional punch. Let's crack open the details, shall we? Each egg is a mini nutritional powerhouse, brimming with protein, vitamins, and minerals. All these nutrients are neatly packed into two distinct parts, the yolk and the white. The yolk is the egg's nutrient-dense core. Here you'll find essential nutrients like vitamin A, known for supporting eye health, and B-complex vitamins that play a key role in energy production. Let's not forget about the omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and brain function. On the other side, we have the egg white. It's rich in high-quality protein, a vital building block for your body. The white boasts minimal fat and calories, making it a hit among calorie-conscious folks. But here's the beauty of it all. When you combine the yolk and the white, you get a balanced nutritional profile. They complement each other perfectly, providing a mix of essential nutrients that support overall health. So, eggs serve up a balanced nutritional profile that supports overall health. When it comes to the yolk and the white, what's the difference? The yolk, that vibrant yellow center, is a nutrient-rich powerhouse. It's packed with essential nutrients like vitamin A, B-complex vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids. But there's a common misconception about egg yolks: cholesterol. Yes, the yolk carries cholesterol, but recent research suggests that moderate egg consumption doesn't significantly impact heart health. So, it's not quite the villain it's often painted to be. On the other hand, we have the egg white, the translucent jelly-like substance surrounding the yolk. It's a protein dynamo, offering a generous dose of protein with minimal fat and calories. It's also fat-free and cholesterol-free, making it an excellent choice for those watching their cholesterol intake. So, yolk or white? Well, why choose? Each part of the egg complements the other, creating a balanced nutritional profile. Enjoying both parts in moderation ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Eggs, in all their simple glory, are truly a gift of nature. In moderation, both parts of the egg provide a broad spectrum of nutrients. Ever wondered how to make your eggs healthier? Well, the secret lies in the cooking method. We're going to explore some of the healthiest ways to prepare your eggs so you can enjoy them guilt-free. Boiling is one of the simplest and healthiest ways to cook eggs. It preserves all the natural goodness without adding any extra calories from cooking oils. Plus, it's super easy and quick. Frying eggs, while mouth-wateringly delicious, can sometimes be a less healthy option, especially if you're using unhealthy cooking oils. But don't worry, you can still enjoy a good fried egg without compromising your health. Just opt for healthier oils like olive oil. It's heart-healthy and adds a lovely flavor. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try poaching or baking your eggs? Poached eggs are a fantastic low-fat option, and baked eggs can be a fun and nutritious twist on your usual egg fare. Remember, the way you cook your eggs can influence their nutritional value, so next time you're whipping up an egg dish, make a healthier choice. Experiment with different methods and find your favorite. How many eggs should you eat in a day? That's a common question. The American Heart Association suggests up to 7 eggs per week is a safe bet for most folks. But remember, each person's dietary needs can vary. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Eggs are packed with goodness, but like with everything, moderation is crucial. Balance is key. Incorporate eggs into a diverse diet for a healthy lifestyle. So there you have it, the incredible edible egg. We've unlocked the power of eggs, dissected the yolk and white, and explored healthier cooking options. Remember, egg yolks are nutrient-dense, and egg whites are protein powerhouses. Moderation is key, and a balanced approach to consuming eggs can support overall health. Boiling and poaching are great ways to preserve nutrients. And remember to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nutrition tips. Happy and healthy eating!